Azaruddin Nomi at the side. Gentlemen, who needs a super over?
I was going to ask you that. Maz, speak up, man. Super over, or you just want to see 2 hits to the boundary?
The second one sounds good, Salman.
Ahmed Danial, 2 for 7 in his 3 overs. He's going to finish off. He has the chance for the youngsters to finish off. Danial for Pakistan Shaheens. Ripon Mondal Saklain for Bangladesh. 7 runs. Just need some calm heads. Singles will do.
Bangladesh require hit to get to the super over. And then, maybe if they don't lose a wicket, they might be the winners. Pakistan still in. They need that 1 wicket. So just 1 ball can do it for Pakistan. But Bangladesh would require at least 2 deliveries.
Looking at the field, only 2 fielders behind squaring the leg side. Both are in the circle. So the line for Daniel got to be outside the off stump. Not targeting the stumps. Right, 7 runs needed of 6 deliveries. Here comes Ahmed Danial into his 4th over. Met with some fierce cover. Took a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh.
5 of 5. Ripon Mondal on strike. The last wicket, but still the hope is there for Bangladesh.
Every reason to hope, man. It's just 5 of 5. These 2 have been majestic. They have brought the people back. They brought the hopes back. They got this whole dugout jumping again in excitement. And this is how it all came together. In the slot, asking for trouble, and Saklain just being brilliant.
First semi-final went down to the wire, won on the super over Bangladesh. Pakistan shines in the second semi-final, won it by 5 runs, went down to the wire again, and yet again we need 5 of 5. Sensible, very good fielding at the short extra cover. There was a chance for a second run. You got to give it for the commitment by, I think it's Saad Masood.
This is brilliant from both the batters, must say. Taking the single when it's offered and having a chat as well in the middle.
Both the batters have been very sensible. The key has been the communication. And the important thing is, what is the captain telling the bowler now? What is the next plan? Because remember, it's just a stroke away. Bangladesh can be the champions for the first time, and Pakistan will need to take a gamble. Call it Yorker, a slow one, a bouncer, or whatever gives them the wicket.
You got to give it to Bangladesh for the fight back in the last 4 overs. Against all the odds, have played well. They kept cool under pressure. Some last hitting by the 2 fast bowlers, and most of us in the com box as well as our viewers would have thought is a Pakistan shines going through. But Bangladesh batters have been like, nah, we will have a strong defense and we will not go down without a fight. 4 of 4. It's Saklain at the striker's end. Nerves everywhere. Ahmed Danial, you could see the pressure in his eyes. He comes in. 4 of 4 again. Good Yorker. Running the first one hard. Ripon Mondal says just a single would do. Doing it in singles, Bangladesh.
Yeah, 3 of 3, why not? A single would do for them.
You have to say, brilliantly played. It was great bowling in the block hole and quick, but very well negotiated. Are we slowly moving towards the super over? Maz, any quote for the super overs?
Yeah, let me process it first, Salman. It's too much to handle at the moment. For us, for the players in the middle, everyone in the stadium.
Let me get you some water.
What about you, Salman?
I have it with me.
Nervous faces. Some spectators did leave the stadium around the 16th over. Pretty sure they would have come back. The game's going down to the wire, and certainly this wonderful tournament, DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup, deserves a finish like that. A fairy tale ending.
Millions of people across both countries are glued to their screens, all praying for their victory. That is great scenes. The crowd has come back. A lot of them went earlier on, and these two have pulled them back. Ripon has been a top-notch performer.
I think the Bangladeshi fans need to consult a heart surgeon. Whenever Bangladesh plays, things go right down to the wire. We have seen the semi-final, now again.
Entire spectators as well as people, millions of people watching this coverage have got what they wish for. A close final. 3 of 3. Bouncer. Change of length. That's what I think Irfan Khan as the skipper would have given that choice or that idea by the skipper to Daniel.
That's what we were talking about earlier. What next? What plan? What gamble? And the mid-off came up. So as a batter, you could expect the length to change, and it certainly did. But again, full marks to the batter. He did not play any shot out of pressure. He just left the ball. He knows they're just a strike away.
Yeah, he was caught in two minds, but rightly mentioned, Salman, eventually